In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default view on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your preferred layout the one everyone sees first, so your team stays consistent and focused. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. If you're prompted, sign in so you land on your workspace. Once ClickUp loads, take a second to look at the left-hand sidebar. That's where your spaces, folders, and lists live, and it's where we'll make this change. Next, click on the specific space, where you want to set the default view. A space is the top-level container for all the work in a part of your organization, so picking the right one makes sure you're adjusting the correct area. After you open the space, navigate to the list you want to control. You can do this by expanding folders if you use them, or just finding the list directly in the sidebar. Make sure you're looking at the exact list whose starting view you want to standardize. Now right-click on the list name in the sidebar. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works, and on some devices you can also use the small three-dot menu next to the list name to open the same options. This brings up a context menu with settings that apply to that list. From that menu, find the option labeled Set as Default View and toggle it on. This tells ClickUp that the view you're currently using for that list, whether it's list, board, calendar, or another available layout, should be the one that opens first for that list going forward. Think of this as setting the starting point. You're not deleting any other views or layouts, just choosing which one loads by default. A few tips as you do this. Make sure you're actually on the view you want before toggling it, so you don't set the wrong layout by accident. If you don't see the set as default view option, it could be a permissions limitation in your workspace, so check with your workspace admin. To confirm everything worked, switch away to another list and come back or refresh the page, and the list should open to your chosen view automatically. That's it. Open ClickUp, choose the right space, right-click the list, and toggle set as default view. With this simple change, you'll keep your team aligned and save time every time you open that list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.